Brigit customer service wait times can vary based on the type of issue you have, the support method available, and the amount of information needed to review your request. By the end, you'll know what affects Brigit support response times, what details to prepare before contacting support, and how to make your request easier to resolve. If you need help with Brigit, the fastest approach is usually to start with the support options available through the app. The support team needs enough account information and details about your problem before they can investigate. Section 1. What affects your wait time? A simple question about using the app may be easier to answer than an issue involving your account, payments, or features that require account review. When a support request needs more verification, the process can take longer because the team has to check additional details. The way you describe the problem also affects how quickly it can move forward. A message that explains exactly what happened gives support a clearer starting point than a short message with no context. Before contacting Brigit support, gather the information connected to your account, describe the issue clearly, and include details such as when the problem started and what steps you already tried. Section 2. How to avoid unnecessary delays. Start by checking the help resources available inside the Brigit app. Some common questions may already have available answers, which can save time without waiting for a response. If you still need support, write a complete message the first time. Include the feature you are having trouble with, the action you expected to happen, and what actually happened instead. For example, instead of saying, "My account is not working," explain whether you are having trouble signing in, using a feature, or understanding a transaction. Specific details help the support team understand the situation faster. Section 3. What to expect after contacting support. After submitting a request, keep an eye on the response method connected to your support request. If the team asks for additional information, providing it quickly helps continue the review process. The main points are simple. Brigit response times depend on your issue and the information provided. Complete details help reduce back and forth communication, and checking available help resources can sometimes solve problems faster. Your next step is to open the Brigit app, review the support options, and prepare your account details before sending your request. If this guide helped you understand what to expect from Brigit customer service, like the video, and subscribe for more app support guides.